Quokka chronicles the smiling wonders, unveiling the unique traits and stories of the world's happiest animal.
By AI for Kids. Within the pages of this book lies a journey into the heart of the Quokka's world. These fascinating marsupials, often dubbed the world's happiest animal due to their perpetual smile, carry the stories of their lives amidst the secluded splendors of Rottnest Island. Through ecological balance, survival cunning, and their growing relationship with humanity, Quokkas unveil the wondrous and often endangered habitats they inhabit. Join us in celebrating their charm and advocating for their conservation, preserving their joy and ecological significance for generations to come. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Welcome to Rottnest Island.
Nestled off the coast of Western Australia, Rottnest Island is a haven for the charming Quokka. These small marsupials thrive in the island's dense vegetation and moderate climate. With foliage providing both shelter and sustenance, Quokkas roam freely, embodying the spirit of this pristine environment. As daylight fades, Quokkas become more active, their curious eyes and friendly demeanor an invitation to explore their remarkable haven.
In the gentle embrace of Rottnest Island, Quokkas find their sanctuary, wandering through lush vegetation that offers life and protection. With a curious glance and a hop, they emerge as dusk descends, ready to meet the world. This island is my home, each shrub and tree a familiar friend. As night falls, the island is alive, and I eagerly follow its call.
A Quokka's day diet.
Quokkas are true connoisseurs of the plant world, subsisting on a diverse diet of leaves, grasses, and stems. Adapted to their environment, they cleverly extract moisture from their food, allowing them to thrive without frequent water sources. This dietary ingenuity supports their survival during dry spells and ensures they maintain their robust and energetic demeanor, hopping playfully through their bush-filled home.
With each nibble, Quokkas demonstrate their resourcefulness, converting humble foliage into the bustling energy that fuels their playful existence. These leaves hold the key to my vibrancy, each bite a testament to nature's generosity.
The art of solitude and belonging.
Primarily solitary creatures, Quokkas often wander alone under the moonlit sky. Yet, their social flexibility allows them to gather in groups when food is plentiful. This duality defines their behavioral elegance, adapting to the abundance of opportunities while cherishing solitary moments. Their friendly nature extends to curious encounters with humans, leaving a trail of smiles across the world.
In the quiet of night, or among a multitude of kin, Quokkas navigate their world with grace and sociability. Each interaction a dance, balancing solitude and communal warmth. There's comfort in solitude and joy in company. Each moment, a different song to which I gracefully sway.
Masters of the waters.
Though often admired for their friendliness, Quokkas are adept swimmers, using this skill as an escape route and a means to explore beyond. Their aquatic agility allows them to evade predators, reaching new realms within their fragmented habitats. This lesser-known facet reveals their resilience and adaptability, transcending the boundaries of land to embrace the embrace of water.
On land they may but wander, yet in water, quokkas glide with surprising grace, masters of the element few anticipate. They navigate through liquid freedom with skill honed by necessity and exploration. The water's embrace is a new adventure, where fear dissolves and freedom flows with every stroke.
A peek into the Quokka family.
In the hidden realms of Rottnest's undergrowth, life begins anew. Quokka mothers nurture in their pouch young joeys, a dedication that spans all seasons. The tender bond shared as the young quokka ventures out from its secure refuge marks a milestone. Such small yet significant leaps illustrate the continuity and perpetuity of life on the island.
In the bustle of life's renewal, quokka families tell tales of love and survival. Pouched within, a life stirs, soon to explore a world waiting beyond. The pouch is my cradle, my sanctuary, until it's time for me to greet the world.
Guardians of balance.
As natural gardeners of their ecosystem, quokkas contribute profoundly by dispersing seeds and controlling vegetation. Their foraging paths shape and sustain the lush habitats they occupy. Predators await, adding to the natural rhythm that binds them all. Despite challenges, their ecological role is pivotal, a testament to their enduring adaptability.
In the grand tapestry of life, quokkas are threads of growth and renewal, guardians of the natural balance that underpins their lush world. Our footsteps nurture, our diet sustains. We are more than wanderers, we are architects of life.
Perils and preservation.
Once abundant, quokka populations now face threats from habitat loss and predation by introduced species like foxes and cats. Classified as vulnerable, they are symbols of conservation efforts on Rottnest and beyond. Such challenges initiate directives to protect their habitats and revive populations through sustainable practices.
In the shadows of paradise lie threats to quokka serenity. Yet, through conscious guardianship, hope emerges anew. Our world is changing, fraught with challenges, yet hope lights a path to preservation.
Ambassadors of joy.
With their smiling faces, quokkas have enchanted hearts globally, earning the moniker the world's happiest animal. This joyous visage has turned attention towards their plight and significance, igniting passionate advocacy and sharing their stories with the world. Their presence inspires consciousness toward their conservation and the whimsy of nature they represent.
A quokka's smile is an invitation, sparking joy and wonder. These emblematic marsupials remind us of nature's intricate beauty and ignites our collective consciousness. I am joy embodied, a symbol of nature's beauty, as my smile carries a message of hope,